prepare the batter of our pancake, we need flour. I prefer the unbleached one. And we want our pancake to be fluffy and light, so we'll be adding baking powder, to make it a little bit sweet. Not too sweet though. Depends on your liking. We'll be adding some sugar. And also, the pancake should be moist and not to stick in the pan. So we need to add some cooking oil, since I don't have olive oil right now. So this will do. And to enhance the flavor of our pancake, of course, we don't want it without eggs, fresh from my fridge. I'm sure just a little bit of salt. This one I have is 60% less sodium. The milk that you'll be adding, so I chose almond milk and vanilla flavor since I don't have vanilla right now. And what will make the difference in my pancake is that I'll be adding some Greek yogurt. Okay? You can just add any yogurt that you desire. So now we're ready. I have all the ingredients that I need for my pancake. Looking great! And the secret to my pancakes?